¿Quieres una Molinex?
All right, today we're gonna bring a knife sharpening kit. This is great. It comes with a knife sharpener here. If you guys can see that, this is a really good one. So you can sharpen your actual knives by themselves. Doesn't require anything else, but the actual kit itself, they give you an actual. This is for the actual knife. So if you don't know your angles or you're not a pro, this is to actually do the angles. All right, very simple to use. A wax. All right, this is a necessary thing too, and also they give you the different grades of rocks. If you guys can see, 1,400, and then on this one is 3,000, and then underneath it's about 8,000. If you guys can see that, of course they give you a set of gloves ready to go, and also a leather strap so you can finish out the job, and a mineral rock here to start with the whole thing too. So the whole setup is very simple to use. We're going to actually test it out today. We're going to put it on the hands of our professionals and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you guys can see, these are the actual bubbles that we have coming out of the actual rock itself. So prior to using it, you got to make sure you put it into the mineral. Once the water starts bubbling, after 10 or 15 minutes, it's ready to use. So the bubbles stop completely, one little tiny bubble. Once it stops completely, you can start using the rock. Okay, we're gonna start with the higher, with the 400 first, and then we're gonna work our way out to 1,000.
Y no necesitas de muchas pasadas. Es así, ese es el ángulo que debe llevar. Ok, ahí.
All right, great thing about the knife sharpener here, the extra knife sharpener, you could hang it. It has a little silicone hanger here, a grip. If you don't want to use the rock, you can always come back in here. I did buy this tactical knife, but it's dull. It's not sharp at all. So you could do different angles. The front of it is very sharp, but the back is where I need to use another tool to sharpen these out. But very simple, easy to use. I like that they include this simple one too. I hope you guys enjoy the video.